good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So right now I'm at ModFx. I'm gonna see if I can get my WickerBill installed. I'm already down here in Houston for Moparfest, so we're gonna try to get this thing installed. I didn't feel like doing it myself, so I'm gonna go ahead and let them do it while I'm here. Hello, how you doing? I'm doing good. This literally came a day before Moparfest, before I came to Houston. So we about to get this installed up here at ModFx. I got some nice cars up here already. Got Jose ModFx right here. Staying here nice. Got his WickerBill on there. Got that wide body, putting the wide body kit on that car. Got me right here. Couple nice cars in there. Y'all down here to these cars he just pulled out the shop. Oh yeah, they getting that wide body kit done. It looked like they may be redoing it because it looked like it used to be one on there. I don't know. It's nice though. I was gonna get this spoiler at first, but I didn't know how it looked on the slim body, so I just went ahead and got the WickerBill. Dang, look meaty. Look like they doing some work to it. Got the headlights out. Oh, that thing nice.
Ratchet, we did the Brembos.
Okay.
Some of the touches, a little bit. You need to watch those.
Oh yeah. That's what I'm about to go find somewhere by the hotel, see if I can get mine washed. Check out that grill, man. That grill nice. Vinny. Very nice. Working on that thing. Good with you, Benny? Chilling, man.
Yes, sir. Is you here?
Yeah. About to get that WickerBill on there, man.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, that mug came yesterday, bro.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it came yesterday. I came from Dallas. Huh?
Dallas?
Yeah, I came from Dallas, yeah. Go ahead and shut the channel. I'm already subbed to you, so go ahead and shut the channel out, bro.
Authentic Benny, man. Y'all make sure y'all follow the channel. You got a YouTube or you just...
Yeah, bro. Yeah, we're here.
Man.
On the back.
There you go, man.
It's on the bumper, too.
Back 82.
Yeah.
All right. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to that right now.
The boy everywhere. I see you with the boy. Yeah, I'm Yoshi mine, so yeah. I ain't got my doll in the dash, but he back there chilling.
You what?
My little doll.
Oh, you got a Yoshi?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. Look, you got it.
You got it? You got it? Yeah, put him on there.
Yes,
Put him on there.
Man. Need a wash now.
Yeah. I'm probably trying to find one at the hotel and get mine washed. I don't know.
Yeah.
They said they were gonna wash him up here, but I'm gonna let him do mine.
Oh.
I'm gonna let him do my WickerBill.
Oh.
I ain't even worried about washing it just right now.
Yeah.
So.
I forgot I gotta put the fuses in for the lights, man.
Oh yeah, I remember you had to go. Damn. Ooh, you gotta get one of them. I just took mine off.
Man, that's bad.
Ooh.
That's bad, bro.
I just took mine off so I can get a picture.
Bruh, I got one. I should have put it on, man. I ain't think it was gonna be that big, but
I got one of those, the little peeking stickers.
where?
I say home. I didn't know if I.
Oh.
Okay, check this out. I ordered one of these, bro. The company hold me on it, and it never came, so I just canceled it. And I was like, I was gonna put it right here.
Yeah.
But I was like, damn.
Well, you got the Dallas accent too.
Yeah.
Yes,
yeah,
indeed,
man.
Oh.
You
So you got like different stuff under the hood and all that?
Nah, only thing I got is I got the catch can. I got this, the same color as the catch can. I got that, the same color as the catch can.
Oh, okay.
I ain't really gotten to everything yet.
Yeah. You got color changing lights?
Nah, I'm scared to get them, man. Like
The fog, yeah.
so many people cutting them open, and the lights going out, and you got to recut it open. I'm like, I don't know if I want to.
Big, like it's a chance you take. You know what I'm saying? But
yeah,
man, when you lighten up,
it's nice. It's nice.
Lord. Yeah. What it do?
What's up, man? He got 2 controllers on here. You got 2 controllers, right?
2 or 3.
I know I'm gonna change it.
Believe it or not, when I bought this came with
Oh, you good? You good? You good? Oh, I like that. I like that wrap on the tail light. That's nice. And it go with the stripe. Check that out.
Post a picture and say, hey, ModFx. So support breast cancer. I was telling some people they think I'm
Clean, bro.
Hey, I got you.
I'll share that shit.
I will, man. Appreciate it, man.
What's happening,
How
man?
you doing, man?
You going all right, bro? Going all right? From Houston?
Yeah, Houston, East Houston.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Came from Dallas, man.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
How you doing? How you like Dallas, man?
It's
a lot
straight.
of charges out there, right?
Yeah, it's
Yeah. I
It's
know
getting big.
They'll benefit, man, for breast cancer.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm gonna start selling hat shirts and do like a raffle. Then the winner's gonna take half the money and the other half gonna go to charity. So,
Okay. Okay.
I'll be having shirts and hats and stickers pretty soon.
Okay.
Then we're gonna have a little benefit in Pasadena. And
Okay, that's what's up.
sometime like in 3 weeks from now, we got time to spread the word, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good cause.
Mm-hmm.
Which is yours?
That the gray one right there.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Your Google search results look their best. Call 800-693-8819. 800-693-8819. That's 800-693-8819.
Get that installed.
No, I ain't. Thank you.
It came in the mail yesterday.
You know how car parts be, boy.
Right. I've been waiting like 2 weeks.
Ready?
You're the one that's moving it.
Fucking really won't. Get at it. Holding it tight, right?
Yes.
That's not getting a ball bit. Where's the ball bit at?
be donuts right there, brother, if y'all want.
Wash your hands before you touch the donuts, please. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you.
Now you can tell she's a boss, huh?
Yeah.
I ain't got nothing to do
You
with
guys
nothing.
got lucky last night if you were here, because I wasn't here.
What you better set up a hostess display, or I saw that box that says hostess on it.
Where?
A donut.
Oh. Do.
Yeah. Oh, that looks good. That look good, man. I think I might get those green. No, I like it like that, bro. That look good.